Guess what? Your next skincare miracle is hiding in your kitchen. Today, we're whipping up a refreshing green tea and cinnamon ice cube treatment for your face. This blend will revitalize tired skin, shrink pores, and brighten your complexion. First, boil 2 cups of water. Toss in 2 green tea bags and 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. Let it steep for 10 minutes. Then, pour the mixture into an ice tray and freeze. To use, wash your hands and face with a gentle cleanser. Rub an ice cube on your face in circular motions, spending about 10 seconds on each area. Let it sit for 5 minutes, then rinse with warm water and apply a light toner or moisturizer. Do this every other day, and within 2 weeks, you'll see amazing results. Share this video with friends, drop your comments below, and have a fantastic day. Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon to get notifications for our latest content.